since the time I bought this thing and started working on it, I haven't had a haircut. And I've started to think, you know, if I was the age I am now in 1986, 87, and I walked onto a lot to buy myself a brand new Dolphin, what kind of style I would have. At the time I was 9 years old, but today as a 43-year-old man, you know, what kind of style would I have? Would it be, you know, 1986 flock of seagulls? Or, you know, could I put this beard to some good use? Anyhow, I put the question out to my community and got several suggestions. I'm gonna draw one from a hat and give myself a proper style to go along with the 1986 Dolphin. Hope you enjoy it. All right, so I've got the various hairstyles written here on these pieces of paper right here, and I'm folding them up, dropping them into the hat. One of you kids want to draw one of these? Yeah. All right. So we got them all in the hat. All the papers in the hat. Whatever you draw. Okay. Oh, nice.
Mullet and mustache.
Mullet and mustache. All right.
Yeah.
Here we go.